Good evening, children. Today we'll be starting with a very easy and interesting but a calculative topic that is called as mensuration. You have studied last time mensuration, that is cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, etc. Let's revise them once again and then we'll move on to the sums. So cuboid, if I talk about cuboid, it is nothing but you can talk say about your room, your cupboard. That is, you will see that all the faces are rectangles. You can see this face is a rectangle, this face is a rectangle, this face is a rectangle. So in a cuboid there are how many rectangles? 6 rectangles. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 and the sixth, which is the front one. Okay, so in all there are how many rectangles? 6 rectangles. Out of those 6 rectangles, this one rectangle, this one rectangle, this one and the front one, these are called as lateral walls. What they're called as? Lateral walls. The blue ones, 1 2 3, and the front one is called as lateral walls. So each rectangle will have a certain area. Like if I talk about this rectangle, the area will be L into H. If I talk about this rectangle, it will be HW. If I talk about this rectangle, it will be LW. So what will the lateral surface area of cuboid? It will be 2HL plus B. See, I have told you there are 4 rectangles, so it becomes 2HL plus 2HB. There are 4 rectangles. These 2 rectangles will have same area and front and back rectangles will have same area. Am I right? The W means B, okay? So what will be the area lateral walls of cuboid? It will be 2HL, that is this front rectangle, that is L into H. Same way with the back rectangle. Then this is 2HB, this one and this one. So it becomes 2H L plus B. I can take H common, 2H times L plus B. Total surface area means finding the area of each rectangle. How many rectangles you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So LB plus BH plus HL, how many times? 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 3 2s are 6. What about volume? Volume means multiplying all the dimensions. What are dimensions over here? Length, breadth and height. So what is volume? L into B into H. Next, cube. Cube is a special case of cuboid. Cube means every part is a square. You can see here every part is a square and each length is here L. What is each length? Each length is L. The edge length from here to here is given as L. So how many faces I have? 6 faces I have. So it will be total surface area of cube 6 into area of 1 square. What is area of 1 square? L square. So it will be 6 L square. What will be volume? L into L, that is L cube. Okay. Cylinder. If I talk about a cylinder, it is a stack of circular rings. What you can say? A stack of circular rings. The height is H and the radius of the base is R. Okay. So if I open the cylinder, I get a rectangle. If I open the cylinder, I get a rectangle. Or if I roll a cylinder, if I roll a rectangle, I'll get a cylinder. So what will be this? Breadth becomes circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. And what is the height given to me? H. In short, what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area means only the rolling part of the cylinder, this part of the cylinder, that is 2 pi rh, that is this circumference into this height, that is 2 pi r into h. What is total surface area? The curved surface area plus area of these two circles also. Area of these two circles. What is area of circle? Pi r square. So there are two circles. So 2 pi r square plus CSA. So I can take 2 pi r common. I'll get r plus h. Volume of cylinder will be pi r square h. How we get pi r square h? Basically what I am doing, I am stacking circles. So what will be volume? Area of base. That is, what is area of base over here? Circle. How many coins I'm stacking? H. So area of circle into height, that is area of base into height, it is pi r square h. Okay. Next is your cone. Now the cone has three different measurements. You can see this part is called as perpendicular height. This segment is called as radius, and this slant triangle part is called as slant height. What do you call it as? Slant height. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem to have a relation between them, that is L square equal to R square plus H square. You're very familiar with ice cream cones like butterscotch and all. So that is nothing but an example of a cone. Okay. Even cone has curved surface area. Curved surface area means only this part of the cone, outer part of the cone. It is pi RL. What is the CSA of cone? Pi RL. What is total surface area? Pi RL, that is CSA plus only one circle is there, so area of circle. Pi RL plus area of one circle. I'll take R pi R common. I'll get R plus L. Okay. What is volume of cylinder? Volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi R square H. It is 1/3 volume of a cylinder. Next, last one, sphere. What is sphere? You can think of your tennis ball. It is a sphere. Your football is a sphere. So what is surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. Now how do you get 4 pi r square as a surface area of sphere? So one person, what he did, he tied threads on this sphere with negligible thickness, and he found the length of that wire. That length of wire was same as 4 times area of circle of same radius. Okay. Then we have volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now if I cut the sphere from here, I get two equal halves. Each half is called as hemisphere. You can see this is the radius. So if I talk about CSA, it is 2 pi r square. If I talk about its TSA, it is 3 pi r square. 2 pi r square plus area of the base. What is area of the base? Pi r square. So it becomes 3 pi r square. Volume of sphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Thank you.